Hello guys, in this video I'll show you yet another AI coding agent which is released, which is completely open source. It has completely changed AI agents. If you simply type Paperclip AI, the very first website which comes right here, paperclip.ing. So it's completely open source. It's available on GitHub as well. It just recently released 2 days ago. This is their actual website. It's a complete open source tool that you can directly install inside your terminal machine to actually build out complete coding applications. It can actually automate everything. So it's a complete open source tool which has completely changed AI agents forever. So if you want to check out their GitHub repo, so this is actually their GitHub repo right here, open source human agent paperclip. It's almost got 56,000 GitHub stars, so it's actually a pretty popular GitHub project for automating, for quickly creating applications. So this is actually their demo right here. This is actually a complete application which is generated, as you can just see right here. You can create a live demo of the app directly using different components. You can connect different components as well, like this it is shown right here. So now to get started, it's a complete alternative to OpenClaw. OpenClaw is the employee, Paperclip is the company. So it's actually a Node.js server and React UI that orchestrates a team of AI agents to run a business, bringing your own agents, assign goals, and track your agents' work and cost from one dashboard to another dashboard. So it's actually a kind of a task manager. If you are building a very big application, you can divide your application into different components or different agents. And now to get started, they have given complete step-by-step instructions. It's complete open source self-hosted tool. So no account, no subscription is required for this. So you simply install this by executing this command npx paperclip AI onboard dash dash yes. And for this you just need to have Node.js installed inside your machine so that you can directly use it in the terminal. So once it completes the installation, you will get a notification that your installation is completed. You can even manually install this as well by cloning this GitHub repo directly inside your machine and cd into this and installing the dependencies that way. This will actually start the API server at HTTP localhost 3100. So So it will actually ask you whether you want to install this. You simply say yes. So now it will install the necessary packages. So just wait. Once it finishes, you will get a notification. So it's actually kind of a everything runs directly inside your system locally once it installs successfully. So it can actually automate anything for you. So any application you want to develop, you can assign this to this agent, and it actually divides your goal into multiple app agents. So you can just see right here, define the actual goal, what sort of application you want to develop, and just hire the agents, approve and run. So it's similar to these softwares which are OpenClaw, Cloud Code, Codex, Cursor, Bash, HTTP. So it is similar to these agents which are there. So now once it finishes, you will see it will look something like this. Paperclip, it's completely open source. The config file will automatically get created as you see that agent JWT secret deployment authorization code storage database also will automatically get configured. You can even connect a custom LLM provider, AI provider as well. The log directory server port, it will by default will run at the localhost 3100. So you directly go to the address localhost 3100. So at this port number your default paperclip server will run. So it is just starting it, so just wait for it to start. So once it gets started, you will get this notification. So for the very first time, you do need to configure some things. First of all, what is your company name? What is your mission? So you can just take some. Let me go to the next step. And right here, you assign this agent. So right here, you create your first AI agent. So you basically give it a agent name, or you want to use your Claude code or Codex. So if from these two you select one of these, and from here you assign the model, what sort of model you want to use. So from here you select the model, and then adapter environment check. You can even test this from here as well. So it is actually telling you that command is executable, it is installed, worker directory is valid, Anthropic API key is not set, subscription based auth can be used if Claude is logged in. Claude CLI is installed but login is required. So you can set the API key whenever you do. So you can see, give it something to do. So give your agent a small task to start with. You can write here whatever script that you want to. So I will simply say build a image to PDF web app. So once you do this from this dashboard, you can actually run different kind of tasks directly. So once you do this, automatically all your commands will directly run in the terminal. As soon as you open any issue, it will directly write the code for you. So right here you will see this notification, Claude run failed, please run login. So you need to set up the API key if you have the Claude provider. After you set up the API key, this agent will be quite easy for you to run. So in this easy way, it's completely open source, is directly run inside the browser. From here you actually assign agents, issues, everything. Paperclip, it's very easily to set up. You can set up with any AI provider. Just set up, you need to have the API key. If you're using Claude, Open, any AI provider, you should be having the API key. So again, you can retry this as well. You click the view run button. You can actually see what sort of issue is there. It will exactly tell you what sort of issue is causing the problem to it. Then you can fix that issue. You can even click the assign task button. From here you can edit this, create a new issue. So it's a great AI tool for programmers and developers. Definitely check this out and install it.